Hey guys, welcome to a new video. So today I'll be showing you probably the best way to store environment variables on Visual Studio Code with Python. So if, as you know, you can use variables. So if I make a variable, let's say hello equals that add string, then we can add. So we can just say hello world, and then here print hello. So since that's a variable, no apostrophes or quotation. So hello is a variable, which is just keeping this string, and then we're just gonna print our variable. So if I run this, yep, it prints hello world. How can we do this in a more efficient way and make it like probably more entertaining to see, more code? So we can do this by installing. So pip install python -dotenv. If that's the name, it should be. Yep, okay, so I've installed it. It's requirement already satisfied, so python-dotenv, and yeah, so it's installed for me. But you have to run this specific command. So now you can delete your terminal, and then let's start coding. So let's just do .env. So environment variable, or just environment. I don't remember, but it's .environment. It's like environment variable, I believe. So simply, I could just copy this, right, and put it here, put there. It's still passed it as a string. Now let's clear our code. I'm gonna save this. And then for our main.py, we need to initialize the .env and bring it here. So from .env, from .env import load underscore .env. Then under there, we need to call load a dot underscore .env, then print, and then we need to get the variable. So hello equals os. So you also need to import os. So let's import os. os.get env, and then whatever our env token name is inside our .env, put there. Hello is not defined. Um, I put that in quotations, or just, I don't know what this one's called. And then all we have to do is just print hello, because the variable is here. Now let's save our code and run. Oh, I must not click the run. There you go. And it prints hello world because it's a pretty simple concept, easy to do. So let's add this. So what if I change this to user and then enter pass, and then here we can just set our pass to. So I'm gonna make user coffee and pass some to the control s. And to make it even fancier, we can just do copy this. So sorry, oops. I'm sorry if I'm rushing. Control C, Control V, paste that there. Uh, and then rename, then pass and user. Then I can just copy paste this. Then oops. Oh no. Oh. and then you can set that to username. And so, look, if you want to make it look like a new user has logged in, so print new user has logged in. And then we can add a comma, maybe plus username plus password. Then if my calculations, if I still remember Python, it should work. Okay, so we need to add some space. So I'm probably going to tab here, tab there, tab there. Just so we have more space in our code to each other. Yep, so new user has logged in Kofi, so that's our username. And then password is sub to me. Sub to me. Yes, subscribe to me, please. I'm joking. I wouldn't ask you, but like it's helpful if you do. But yeah, that's how useful .env files are. Don't always have to use these for don't need to use these for specifically strings. You can always use them for environment variables. So I could set to like token, like if this was a token, token, and then we could just like just token, whatever this is, use it. Just do that, um, and then token. You can also do that, but it won't work since this isn't a string. But if it so, let's see if it'll work without a string. I believe it won't because Python if you give my variables if you want to make it print a word, it has to be a string. So yeah, let's test to learn something new. Okay, so it still prints it, even if it's string or not. But you can use .envs for some other things. In JavaScript, this is more simpler, but when it comes to Python, you just need to add more things. So to just explain everything again, here is your variable. You need to import OS and then pip install python-dotenv. I'll probably leave that command in the leave that in the description. But you see from .env, so from the package env python-env import node.env. So this is just a package or module you can use for from here. And then with OS, we need to get the get env and user. So what if our token user? And then it'll just print out this. You can use it for other stuff. I plan on using this for really cool other stuff. It's pretty easy to use and yeah. Uh, yeah, that should be good. Bye.